what we have here is a 2010 garbage truck, which we are doing an opacity test and a hydrogen cleaning at the same time to show these results. As you can see right there on the backside of the garbage truck, that is the DPF. So what we are going to do is we're going to use the revive unit and the opacity meter at the same time to show you these results. Alright, we just did a DPF regen cleaning on the garbage truck, and I just want you to look at those numbers. All three tests are 0 opacity. Just want you to look at that. That's a big deal. You can't achieve this without the hydrogen technology that we have with this unit. On the previous carb smoke opacity test, the opacity reading would not have met carb's standards.